Alright, y'all, check it out. Yeah. Got some chicken right here. Finna hit it with that famous. Cozy enough. There it is. Got my background music going. Yeah, you heard it. Mm. Got that background music going. I own no rights to it, but it's groovy while I'm doing what I do. Here we go, Cozy enough. All day. That's all I'm putting on it. If you ain't got it yet, jump on it. Seeing it for yourself. It's in action. Finna make these turkey chicken legs something special. Alright, here we go. That's all I'm at, and that's that Cozy enough. See everything that's happening to it? Ain't nothing but Cozy enough right there. Don't you close your eyes. Get it, man. Once again, I own no rights to this music that I'm playing, but it is groovy. Ooh. There it is. All I added was Cozy enough. See all them herbs, see all them spices. Chicken look good, bro. That's before the grease. I mean, before the flour, before anything get to it. I'll let you know how it's gonna look. Nothing but Cozy enough on it. Chicken colorful. Chicken seasoned. I tell you, family, you ain't got none. Try it for yourself. Get yourself. You know what I mean? Put an order in. Holler at your boy. Holler at your nephew. Holler at your cousin. Holler at your friend. Holler at your brother. Holler at me. You know what I mean? I'm gonna get that to you. See that color? Beautiful. 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 That's on the Cozy enough right there. I'm trying to know how I'm feeling. Feeling real good right now. This is gonna be part of tonight's dinner. You know what I mean? I'm gonna throw some Cozy enough fried chicken. You know what I mean? We're gonna have some cabbage and corned beef. We're gonna have some macaroni and cheese. And I'll show y'all boys a finished product when I'm finished. Alright? Alright, so get ready for it, family. Here it come. That's that Cozy enough chicken. Seasoning but nothing but that Cozy enough. Right there. That's all I know. Alright, so you wanna get your own, holler at your boy. And I make sure I get that to you. Alright? Cozy enough. Cozy enough chicken. CLE_SKNOW. Holler at your boy. Pint Coke. Peace.